Technical analysis and fundamental analysis. These two analysis is very common in forex trading. Although there is another analysis, that is sentimental analysis, but fundamental analysis and sentimental analysis is not our today's topics. We will learn today how we can analyze our market technically. And I know maybe some traders will hope that I will use some fancy indicators today, but no, the answer is not. I will not use any customs indicator or any default indicators today. Rather, I will show you naked chart. I will use some tools like horizontal line, like trend line. I will use this line, simple lines. I will show you how I can analyze the market technically. This is GBP USD chart, pound against US dollar. I selected 1 hour time frame, and this is our current market. There is no data yet here, so we will now analyze our current market technically. So as we can see clearly that this is the downtrend. So in downtrend market, we will always try to find some sell setup. Okay, now let's find a sell setup. Okay. Just we can do technical analysis simply with some line. Some line can help us analyze our market technically. For say, this is our first horizontal line. We find a rejection from here, again another rejection from here. So market, although market tried to go up but didn't go up, we can see some rejection from here. So we can clearly tell that this is our resistance zone, and then we will draw another trend line. First we draw a horizontal line, then we will draw again a trend line. So now we will try to understand how market respect these lines. If we can understand it clearly, then we will be able to trade with this technical analysis, these lines. Like from here, market got rejected and came down from here to here. Then market got some sideways movement, and then again market went from here to here. Again market came but did not break this trend line. Market again touched this trend line and again went from here to here. Then market, when came from here to here, then market did not respect this trend line and broke the trend line here. When market broke this trend line here, then we will not find any buy setup, neither any sell setup. Rather, we will wait to see what market can give us, because for sure if we wait, market will give us some opportunity to take any trade. So we will wait. Here you can see market is repeatedly respecting this trend line here, 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 again here. So we will wait. When we wait, that we can see that market break this trend line, and then market tried to push up, again got rejected, push up, again got rejected and push up. When market reached this zone, this is our horizontal line zone, because this is our resistance zone. We showed this as our resistance zone. Why? Because market respected this line again and again. So this is a resistance zone. When market reached this resistance zone, then market again respecting our horizontal line and also previous trend line. When market respected our previous trend line and horizontal line at the same time, we can tell that yes, this is our candle from which we can take any setup. If we sell here, because market is rejecting, I can zoom in so you can understand it more clearly. Here you see market is rejecting from this horizontal line and this trend line. This is our resistance zone, and also now this is our resistance zone, because market here this was our support zone, here our support zone, but when broke this trend line, then now this is a resistance zone. So market is rejecting from this horizontal line resistance zone and also trend line resistance zone. This both are our resistance zone. When market will rejecting this both trend line and horizontal line, both resistance line, we can now simply put our sell setup here and put our stop loss here. This is our stop loss area. So if we did so, our risk only 71 pips, but we could get more than 270 pips from here to here. So if we can analyze our market with these lines, we can analyze very effectively. These technical tools are very effective.